This is the era of digital marketing. There are multiple ways to make money online in 2025 using just your phone or your laptop or your tab, and you're good to go. One of such ways is publishing on Amazon KDP, and this particular niche that I'm talking about is the coloring books niche. Coloring books are loved worldwide. You can't go wrong with coloring books. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can edit and create a coloring book on Canva and then sell on Amazon KDP. I already made a video on how you can start uploading books on Amazon KDP. Do ensure to check my profile for that particular video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can edit a coloring book on Canva and then sell on your Amazon KDP account. So without wasting much time, let us get right into it. Let's go, guys. So guys, you come to your Canva's home page, and then all you need to do is to search. The good thing about Canva is that it has a lot of templates, already ready-made templates that you can use. So all you need to do is to search for coloring books and see the templates that they have. So let's search for coloring book pages, and then let's click on enter. So guys, you can see these are a lot of coloring book pages. So this is alphabet ones, different types. So depending on what kind of coloring book you want to create, or what kind of genre, is it for kids, is it for adults, depending on what kind of template you want to create, or what kind of coloring book you want to create, that will determine the kind of template that you pick. So take for instance, you want to create like a coloring book template. All you need to do is to click on this one over here. So that's this one over here. Click on it or check other ones, and then click on customize this template. Okay, so once you click on customize this template, it's going to open all the different pages for you. And so like I always tell everybody, when you're using a template on Canva, I always say change as much as you can, because it's a template. If you're not creating everything from scratch by yourself, change the templates. So you already have something like this. You can search under your elements for other kind of coloring pages that you can use. You can change these fonts. So I can go here, just click on it. Anytime you're editing on Canva, you just click on this. And guys, before I go move too much, if you are new with Canva and you're looking for how to learn how to use Canva, go to my link in bio. I have a free course there that you can register on and learn how to use the basics of Canva. Okay, so just to chip that in, let's get back. So you just click on this and then click on the fonts. And mind you, you can do this on your phone as well, so not just on a laptop or anything. You can do this on your phone, and then you can change the fonts, change the font, change the outlook. You can change this border design or remove it totally. So this is the cover. Me personally, if I were doing a coloring book, I always like using like a colorful back for it. And depending on where you are posting it, if you are going to sell it on Amazon KDP, you would need to resize the cover page. And or if you are just selling it directly on Etsy or as a digital product, then you leave it in your portrait format. Okay guys, so let's go right into it. So you can decide to change certain things. If you want to change a particular kind of image that you don't like, all you need to do is to come to elements, and then you search flower outline or flower coloring page or something like that, and then you're going to see different kinds of flowers that you can use and just replace what you already have. So let me look for flower coloring page. Okay, so guys, as you can see, these are different flowers that you can use. So if I don't like this, or like I can simply just click on this and delete it. So let's just remove this and then remove the border. I'm not a fan of this border, so I'm going to remove the border, and then I can add something like this, and then you enlarge it. Okay, this is too big. My cursor keeps hanging, guys. I don't know why. Okay, so let's just reduce this to fit into the page better. Okay, so this looks good. And then there you go. You can do this for other pages. And then the good thing about this is you can start to turn it into like maybe an affirmation thing onto each page. Something like we have here: I am worthy and I am beautiful. Just different kinds of things that you might want to write on the page, like an affirmation, a particular quote, depending on what kind of theme or what mood you are going for with the coloring pages. So you can see that there are loads of them. You can change the pages just like I showed you how to. You can add more empty pages. Like for instance, if you want to add more empty pages, just click on this and then you duplicate and you have an empty page. And on the empty page you can then decide to add something else that is maybe a flower or excuse me, whatever else you want to add. So let's add this, and then you enlarge and add what is on the screen or on the page, and then there you go. So you can see, guys, very easy. And imagine you have multiple of templates. So guys, this is your year of making money. All you need to do is to compile these pages and then download as PDF and sell on Etsy, sell on the link in your bio, sell as a template, sell on Amazon KDP. Don't forget to check my profile for how you can upload your books to sell on your KDP account. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm always available to answer your questions in the comment, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.